This is the E4 from GGMM. It's a battery base for your Echo 4. So let's get it out of the box and let's have a look. So looking at the E4 battery base, it's roughly the same size as the old Echo Dot. And it attaches to the Echo 4 with this screw on the top there, and then on the bottom is the screw handle to tighten that into your Echo 4, and around the edge there you've got some rubber feet which when you put it onto the desk is going to stop it from moving around. Going around to the front, there's this little power button here, and there is 4 LED, and that is your charge indicator. It tells you how much charge you've got. Now on the back is the 18 volt power input, and this just takes the power supply from the Echo 4 straight into it. And you have this pass through which then goes into the Echo 4, obviously taking the power from the battery, and you can charge it while it's being used. So let's quickly get this set up and we'll talk some more about how it works. Now on the front of it you've got a power button here on the front, and a long press for 2 seconds on that will power it on, and a long press of 1 second to power it off. Then you've got 4 small LED lights there, and they are your charging indicator, and it will tell you if only one is lit, you've got between 1 and 25% of the capacity, and then going 50, 75 and 100%. Now those will also flash when it is charging. So to set it up, what you'll do is you'll take your Echo 4, now line it up so the power adapter here lines up with the power adapter at the back. The feet of the Echo 4 should go into these recesses, and then use the screw to tighten it into place. Then put the power pass through into the Echo 4. Then the power that would usually go into the Echo 4, put that into the back of the battery base. So there you are, it's all set up. Now in here is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery with an operating temperature of between 0 and 45 degrees centigrade. As I say, it uses the Echo 4 power adapter to power it, which is an 18 volt 1.67 amp adapter. So charging time should be about 7 hours. Now I found this to range between 6 and 7, so it's about right.
Look at me, I've got no wires.
Okay, so how long will it last? Well, it should last about 18 hours at standby, about 6 hours at under 50% volume, and at about 4 hours under 100% volume. And that is pretty close to what I've been getting from it. So what do I think? Well, I've been really impressed with the battery bases I've had before from GGMM, and this is no different. It's got a really good weight to it, and in use it does not add any extra vibration or superfluous sounds that you're not wanting into the mix. The battery size and battery life is really good, and I'm really looking forward to the summer when I can get out in the garden, and now with this I can take my Echo 4 with me. So I'll leave links to the E4 battery base from GGMM in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. And I'd like to say a huge thanks to GGMM for sending this in for review. So I want to say a huge thanks to everyone who supports the channel, especially my current Patreons. And I'll leave links to my Patreon account in the description below, where if you like you can pop along and join these lovely people in supporting the channel. Speaking of supporting the channel, why not pop along to our Teespring store and grab yourself some cool merch like the t-shirt I'm wearing in today's video. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, you'll be told every time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.